Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 25th, 2025, and we're diving into the first quarter earnings report of Principal Financial Group. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Principal Financial Group has just released their Q1 2025 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from their earnings per share to strategic initiatives and market performance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Principal Financial Group reported a net income of $48 million for the first quarter. John, how does this compare to their non-GAAP operating earnings?
Great question. While the net income stands at $48 million, the non-GAAP operating earnings are significantly higher at $415 million. This discrepancy is due to adjustments for exited businesses and other non-operational factors. The adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.81, marking a 10% increase year over year, which is a strong performance.
That's impressive. What are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth is primarily driven by strong business fundamentals and strategic focus on higher growth markets, as highlighted by their CEO, Deanna Strable. The company has also been effective in returning capital to shareholders, which further supports their financial health.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.85 for Principal Financial Group based on a survey of 7 analysts. How did the actual results compare?
The actual adjusted EPS was $1.81, which is slightly below the forecasted $1.85. This 0.4 cents miss might raise some concerns, but it's important to note that the company still achieved a 10% year-over-year growth in EPS, which is commendable.
What might have contributed to this slight miss?
There could be several factors, including market volatility and foreign currency headwinds, which were mentioned in their segment results. However, the overall sentiment remains positive due to their strong operational performance and strategic initiatives.
Strategic initiatives and market performance. Moving on to strategic initiatives. Principal Financial Group has been active in returning capital to shareholders. Can you elaborate on this, John?
Absolutely. In Q1 2025, Principal returned $369 million to shareholders, which includes $200 million in share repurchases and $169 million in dividends. They've also announced a 7% increase in their quarterly dividend, reflecting their commitment to shareholder value.
And how is their market performance, particularly in terms of assets under management?
Their assets under management reached $718 billion, which is a 1% increase from the previous year. This growth, albeit modest, indicates stability and effective management in a dynamic market environment.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's discuss operational efficiencies. How has Principal Financial Group managed to improve its margins?
In the Retirement and Income Solutions segment, the operating margin improved to 39.2%, driven by higher net revenue and margin expansion. Additionally, the life insurance business saw a 20% increase in market premium and fees, showcasing their ability to grow in key areas.
What does the future outlook look like for Principal Financial Group?
With a strong financial position, including $1.75 billion in excess capital, Principal is well-positioned to navigate the current market environment. Their diversified portfolio and strategic focus on growth markets are expected to continue delivering value to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, Principal Financial Group has delivered a solid performance in Q1 2025, with strong operational earnings and strategic capital returns. Despite a slight miss on EPS expectations, the company's fundamentals remain robust. John, any final thoughts?
Principal's commitment to returning capital and their strategic focus on growth markets are key strengths. Investors should keep an eye on their ability to maintain this momentum in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Principal Financial Group's performance in the comments below.